Everyone, I want to share something I just learned about English pronunciation, which is the th sounds and the R sounds. Because honestly, we're gonna hear these sounds all the time in English. So if we know how to say them correctly, we're gonna sound close a little bit like American accent. So let's start with the th sounds. Okay, to make these sounds, we have to put our tongue between our teeth like this. But do not biting your tongue, okay? Like just softly. For example, pronounce father. It's not father. No, it's father. Can you hear that? Father. It's not father. Father. Now for the R sounds, what we have to do is we have to roll our tongue. Gulung lidahnya bawa ke langit-langit mulutnya. Like kayak gulung tikar coy. R. R. Okay, it's not R, it's R. For example, how to say around is not around, is around. Around. Father, they are. No, they are. No, it's they are. Them. Three. This, those, that. It's not that. The sun is not the sun, it's the sun. The sun. The sun. Okay. I hope this helped you to improve your English. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Stay safe.